All around the edges of your roof is a metal strip. These days, most of the time that metal strip is aluminum, but if you want a really high-end look, you can get copper. So copper, of course, is going to be considerably more expensive. It's a little harder to install. We have to use copper nails, but it looks really gorgeous. And this is natural copper, so it's going to patina in that kind of green bluish color that looks really fantastic. If you really like the copper color and you don't want it to patina, there are fake coppers these days that have that beautiful rich copper color all the time. So when you install flashings, metal flashings, there's step flashing that goes underneath, and then there's a piece of counter flashing, which is the part that you see that goes over the top. When you're installing copper counter flashings, you're going to also need the step flashing underneath to be copper, because you're not supposed to mix your metals. So that's another reason why copper flashings are even more expensive, is that we're putting the copper underneath and we're putting the copper on the visible part as well.